Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process by which you can create a lead ads campaign on Facebook. So first of all, you log into your Facebook account. When you log into Facebook, let me just show you for those who don't know. Okay, so when you log into Facebook like this, you come to the left-hand corner, you will see Ad Manager. So you open to the Ad Manager, and you will be in the interface of the Ad Manager. Now, when you get to the Ad Manager, you take time to, now you will see create here, okay? If you have another advertising account you want to switch to, you can click at the top, then you see a drop-down arrow. You will go to that ad account you want to select, then you select it. But for me, I want to run the advert with this particular advertising account. So you click on create. Now we have different advertising objectives, okay? And for this advert in particular, we want to run a lead ads campaign. I took time to explain in detail each of the advertising objectives, and you can check a link above to follow if you want to know much about the other advertising objectives. You can also check that link in the description of this video. But for this particular video, I'm going straight to leads. Lead is the objective you will use to, if you want to run an advert for instant forms, you want people to fill a form, you can also run it for Messenger, Instagram, and conversions. But the main objective of the lead is for people to fill a form. So we are going to go by, we want people to fill a form. So you select the lead, and then you click continue. Then they may ask you to choose a campaign setup, then the tailored campaign. No, don't choose that one. Go down and then click on the manual leads ads campaign, a manual leads campaign, and click continue. So when you do that, you have 3 steps. The first step is the campaign level, where you will choose your objective. The second step is the ad set level, where you will choose the audience, the budget, and the placement. Then the last step is the ad level, where you will choose, what do we call it? You choose the media, that is the picture or the video, okay? So you choose the picture or the video you want to use for the advert, and the ad creative, the text that will describe what is in the image of that video you are talking about. Okay, so you can name your campaign. So for example, I'm going to name this one Facebook Leads Ads Campaign. Facebook Leads Ads Campaign. Okay, so I've named it Facebook Leads Ads Campaign. So you scroll down, then you click on next. Okay, so when you get to the ad set level, you scroll down and select the type of advert you want to run. So for example, I want instant forms so that people can fill a form. So you click on the instant forms, then you scroll down further. Then you select the page. I've selected a page I want to use. You go further and then select the budget. So the budget I want to use for this advert is, I want to do $5 a day. Then I'll scroll down further. You will have the start and the end date. So this one, for example, the end date, I want to make it by the end of the month. Then you will scroll further, then you get to the location. So the location, you put the location that you live or where you want the people to see the advert. So I already have several audiences. So if you get to the location, don't use the default audience where you have to set an audience control. Scroll down and go to switch to original audience options. If they keep on updating the system, currently, this is the option available if you want to go back to use the standard practice of setting up an audience, targeting the right audience, choosing the detailed targeting terms and all that. So you click on switch to original audience option, then it will say use advantage audience may, yes, using advantage audience may improve performance. Click on use original audience. The advantage audience is used by people who don't know much about the audience setting, okay? So normally they will just choose the default one for them, but most of the cases, it is not the best option. So choose audience, the use original audience, and I already have my audience set. So I'll come and click on use saved audience, and then I will choose one of these. So we have choose Facebook ad setup. Okay, so I've selected the one I want. Then I scroll down further. So the location, the country, the age, everything is selected. For those who don't know how to create an audience, you can come to this and then you choose your location. So for example, let's say I want to choose Greater Accra. So I'll choose Greater Accra. So you choose the country, you scroll down and choose the age group, then choose the detailed targeting. The detailed targeting are the terms that relate to the product or service you're selling. So I will show you more about that. And after you do that, you come and select detailed targeting option, check it. What it means is that Facebook is going to reach beyond the terms you selected if it is likely to improve your performance. Then after that, you save the audience. Now, the detailed targeting terms, let me show you how that works. You see, when I come here, let me use one of the audience I have already done. You see under, I'm trying to edit it. When you go to the detailed targeting terms, you see, you select terms that relate to the product or the service you're offering. So for example, we have advertising campaign, affiliate marketing, business opportunity, celebrity entertainment. So people who are interested in setting an advert are the people I am targeting. And that is what I selected those terms for. So you look at people who are likely to show interest. And so those terms you are selecting, it doesn't mean that you are selecting the person that you are. Let's say if I select celebrity, it does not mean that I'm targeting celebrities per se, but people who follow that celebrity. If I select a term like affiliate marketing, it doesn't necessarily mean that just affiliate marketers per se, but people who follow affiliate marketers, people who follow a page that is into affiliate marketing. Of course, people who follow affiliate marketing pages are people who are interested in affiliate marketing. So that is how the targeting works. So you do all that and you save the audience. I have already saved the audience. That is why they're asking me to either update or save it as a new one. So my audience is available. So you scroll down further and go to the placement. So the placement is where you decide where you want people to see the advert. Again, we have automatic, that is the advantage placement, and manual. Again, the manual placement is not good. The automatic placement is not good. The manual one is the best. Those who don't know, they can use the automatic one or the advantage plus placement. It's the same thing. But if you know, you should use the manual. What do I mean? If you use the manual, you can choose which platforms you want your advert to show. But if you use the automatic one, they will show the advert on all the platforms. And it's not all the platforms that are good for your advert. So for example, you have to choose Facebook and Instagram. Leave audience network and messenger. Audience network and messenger are not good placement. Now within the Facebook and Instagram, we have even sub placement, which are best and some are not good. So for Facebook, the number one placement is the feeds. The feed is a place where you get high visibility. Everyone that goes to Facebook is in the feed. You understand? So for example, here as I'm speaking to you, this is the Facebook feed. This is the Facebook feed. If you scroll up and down, you see advert, you may see advert shown. Yeah. You see, this is an advert shown in the feed and all that. So this is a Facebook feed. Then you have Facebook video feed. So any advert you see in between here is what we call Facebook video feed. Then we also have an in-stream advert. The in-stream advert is the one that you will be watching a video, and all of a sudden in between that video, something will come in and interrupt you. That is a video. That's the in-stream video. Then you have a marketplace. So I'm inside marketplace like this. So you see, these are cars that are being shown to me. Some are advert. This is an advert. This is an advert. Some of them are advert. Some are normal posts. And so that one too is good. Then we have the Reels. So normally the Reels, you may see some of the Reels showing. I'm just trying to see Reels. Then, but you see sometimes you'll be watching, if it is on a phone, they like showing the Reels on phone. Okay. So you will see Reels and then they will show normally with stories together. Let me just show you how the advert on Reel is supposed to appear. So of course, this is a reel. You see, so the reel, you normally see adverts showing at the bottom. You see. So you sometimes see adverts showing at the bottom. Then you will be scrolling like this, and all of a sudden you will scroll, and then one of the videos you are going to watch is an advert. So all those are examples of reels. Okay. Now, reels too, sometimes the advert will show at the bottom. So it's either it shows at the bottom, or when you are scrolling, it will finally show along the way. So that's how the reels actually show. Okay. Now you come back, and then these are what you're supposed to select. You select Facebook feed. That is the number one most important thing. Instagram feed is also good. Instagram profile feed, marketplace, video feed. Then you go to Reels, and then stories and Reels. Facebook and Instagram Reels are very, very effective of late. Okay. Now, after you select all that, for the last two, which is messages, this one is for those who want to show their advert to people on Messenger, and it's not that effective. So this doesn't mean that people cannot send you a message on Messenger. It just means that if you don't include it, your advert is not going to show to people on the Messenger app. Okay. And that one, the Messenger app, the advert is not always effective. And if you are not even running an advert with an objective for people to send you a message on Messenger, you cannot select the Messenger as part of the placement, the messages as part of the placement. Then the app and sites to their external website or apps outside Facebook, where when you choose it, Facebook will place the advert outside Facebook. That's why sometimes you want to open certain apps and you see an advert is showing. So all those ones, they are not good. It is not an effective placement. Don't choose it. Okay, so you click on next. Then you get to the ad level. At the ad level, you can choose the type of advert setup you want, whether you want create ad or use in fact, use an existing post will not work for this one. We have the Creative Hub Mockup, but the best option to choose is the create ad. So under the create ad, you have the single image or video, which means one video or one image, and the carousel. And again, this time depends if you have many videos or multiple images, you can use the carousel. But normally for lead ads, it is normally for services or for a single product. So you choose the single image. So I'm choosing a single image. So let me just go and upload it. Uploaded the picture or the image I want to use for the advert. And it's supposed to be 1080 by 1080 pixels. That is the recommended size for both Facebook and Instagram ads. Then I now have to write the headline to describe the details of the program. So for this, I'm going to use, I have to even write the primary text. Primary text is the most important. The primary text is the long description. For the headline, it is normally the one that will appear here. It's not that big, but the headline is the one that is supposed to be long. So just you you put your message on the primary, the description of your message on the primary text. So for example, I said, ready to take your business to the next level with our advanced targeted advertising training. Join our exclusive training session on mastering Facebook and Instagram ads. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting out, our expert-led course will equip you with the skills to create compelling ad campaigns that will drive results. You can add a lot. I went ahead to say they should sign up now and then all that. So you put your message at the top. Then, as you can see, it appears at the top. It describes what is in the image. Then you can add I think I have to add a form. So the call to action is sign up. I want them to sign up. Then I have to choose a form. So I already have a form. So this is the form. Okay. So in the form, so if you don't know how to create a form, what you have to do is just to click on create form. When you click on create form, There are several steps that you're supposed to follow, and then you'll be able to finish. Let me just show you. So in creating a form, when you click on create form, you will need to fill all these spaces. You will be asked to describe. So you see that I said only fill this form if you really will attend this program. We will use the info you provide to contact you. So this program actual price is this, but it has been reduced. Then if you go to the second page, I ask of their name, their details, and then go to the third one. I have to put our privacy link there so that those who want to go and see our privacy policy about the information we collect from them. Then the last one, they are all set and they can call us to confirm if they want to ask any question. So that is the form I have created. So you also click on create form and follow the steps as I just explained to you to create a form. Now, after you finish creating a form, and you've added your primary text, okay, you can just click on publish. And when you click on publish, the advert will be put on review, or they will review it. The system will review it, and within some hours, they will approve it. It ranges from 1 hour to 24 hours, but most of the time, even within 30 minutes, they will approve it. So once it's approved, your advert will start running. Now, those of you who want to learn how to connect your leads, okay? You want to connect your leads to Google Sheet so that you can easily access it on your Google Drive, wherever you are. I have done a specific video on how to do that connection. And if you check the link above, if you're watching this on a computer, you can check the link above or check it in the description, whether you're watching it on a computer or on the phone. When you check in the description of this video, you will see that video and you can follow it to learn how to do that. Now, after going through this, let me add that you can also you can create 2 or 3 ad sets or 2 or 3 ads, depending on, so if you are creating multiple ad sets, the changes you normally will have to make are, maybe you want to change either the audience, the people, the location, the country, and all that, or the placement, okay? Or if you want to create several ads using the same ad set, that maybe the intention is to use different pictures or videos to see which one is going to perform, okay? So you can try all that, but this is the standard practice. The others that you want to try is just to observe how the performance will be. And at the end of the day, you will have your results there. And then if you are doing that too, you have to put your campaign budget optimization on. If you have more than one ad set, if your campaign budget optimization is on, Facebook would spend your budget on the ad set that is performing more than the others. So you need to take time and do that. If you follow this procedure and you are not able to do it, okay, leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp and Telegram link in the description to contact us to help you to be able to do it properly and get a solution to whatever problem you have. Finally, I want to just publish so that you see how it's supposed to be done. So I'm publishing my advert like that. And then before I forget, if you also want to add any other additional information, you can add it to the headline. So for example, if I want them to call a certain number and I want that number to show at the top here, I want that number to show here, you can just write it here and then show. You can write it here and it will appear around here. Yeah. Okay, once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.